Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through the quick and simple steps on how to send a poll on the Discord app for PC with the brand new update. Whether you're running a community, organizing a group event, or just want to get your friends' opinions, this feature makes it easy to gather feedback in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your Discord app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to send the poll. Next, find the chat where you'd like to post. This could be a server channel or a direct message conversation. Once you're in the right chat window, move down to the chatbox area. To the left of the chatbox, you'll notice a small plus icon. Click on that. This is the button that opens up extra options for sending content. With the latest update, you'll see a new option appear here. Now click on Create a Poll. This is the feature we'll be using to set everything up. Once the poll window opens, start by typing your question. This should be whatever you want to ask your group. For example, you might ask, "What time should we meet?" or "Which game should we play tonight?" After entering your question, add the possible answers. You can type in as many options as you want for people to choose from. Keep it clear and simple so everyone can pick the best choice. The next step is to set the duration of your poll. This decides how long the poll will stay active before closing. You can pick a short window if it's time sensitive, or a longer one if you want to give people more time to respond. When everything looks good, your question, your answers, and your duration, click on Post. The poll will then appear directly in the chat, ready for everyone to vote on right away. And that's all it takes. With just a few steps, you can now create interactive polls that make decision-making so much easier. Thanks for watching. Thanks.